It's easy to imagine artificial intelligence as a powerful computer that can answer questions, analyze data, and sound human. Today, AI can also be creative. AI can create original stories, music, images, computer code, and videos that never existed before. This is called generative AI, and it's becoming part of our online world. Think about it this way. What if you could remember every image, song, and bit of text on the internet and access it all in seconds? If you need to create an image of a bee wearing Chuck Taylor's shoes, the information is on hand. Unfortunately, we humans can't consume everything on the internet or remember it all. But artificial intelligence can. It remembers everything it encounters online. It's seen thousands of images of bees and Chuck Taylors. It can assemble the data to combine the ideas in a new image just for you. It works because massive computers connect to the internet and take a snapshot of billions of words, images, songs, videos, and more. The computers then analyze the data and look for patterns that may not be obvious to humans. When new information becomes available, the AI can learn and adjust what it generates. These data and patterns are then used to generate completely new works based on our requests. To use generative AI, you send chat messages, just like chatting with a friend online. These text commands are called prompts, and AI is good at analyzing what you want and generating a human-sounding response. With a simple text prompt, tools like ChatGPT can generate the blog post in seconds. You can specify format, word count, tone, style, and more, and ChatGPT will create a new version. You can even paste your own words into the tool and ask AI to rewrite it. This is possible because generative AI is built on large language models, or LLMs, that can accurately assemble words that should appear together in the response. If your blog post needs an image, generative AI can whip up a few options in whatever style you choose. Or you can upload your own drawings or photos and have AI create versions in different styles. Perhaps the video needs background music. You can tell generative AI what you need, and it will generate new, original music. In some cases, generative AI is built into existing tools and platforms. For example, if you want to remove a person from a photo or add a dog with a bow tie, it used to take time. Now, you can just ask AI. Generative AI can be a powerful tool. However, it generates new works based on an imperfect source, the internet. Like the internet, what it provides can be biased, incorrect, or misleading. Further, generative AI may use sources like photos, paintings, songs, code, and texts that are protected by copyright. Many artists and copyright owners feel that generative AI uses their work without permission and represents a risk to their professions. Used responsibly, generative AI can open a world of productivity, creativity, and fun.